Okay, what's up? Good morning, guys. Again, good morning. Hey, hey. Yeah, I need to fix the air leak here in the Ledan hose. It's easy to drop the air, and that's why.
Already done, you know. So
Yeah, I will connect this
yeah,
later.
just connected it.
I need to tighten this one because the leak here goes out, and now the trailer almost will not move because the excessive air leak here in this Ledan hose. Now better you have some tools to to fix this, because sometimes it's not easy to call rescue. It's a small problem. Better you have tools, otherwise it will rescue but a small problem. This tools is only for remedy, and then after you reach your garage, there will be fix this problem. We don't have a leak test, but I will try to mount this. If the leak is gone. No. Ledan hose. There's a lot of hair fuse. If ever your light is broken, fuses is broken, so you can change easily. So if you are a light driver, you must have this. You must prepare. So for that problem in the room, so you can fix yourself by yourself. Try to fix this. Okay. This one is AB. This one is a fly, red color. This one for the electrical clearance light. The front hose. Okay. Then we will tight again, because you cannot tight properly if you are not mount this. Good. This called adjustable tools. I buy for my. This one is not owned by company. This is my own tools. It's okay. Keep safe driving, everyone, and have a good day.